Hello friends, today I am going to talk about some phrases that have great grammatical relevance. We can regard them as the part of grammatical words or the grammatical phrases. So, those phrases that I am going to talk about are known as quantifiers, and those quantifiers are many, a number of, and the number of. So many and many a are quantifiers or sometimes act as modifiers. They are placed before noun, and many a represent plural sense of meaning. They represent plurality of meaning, and as already stated in the previous videos that many and many a can be used with the countable noun. For the uncountable noun there is much. So we have to find out the difference between many and many. So although they represent the plural sense of meaning, the plurality of meaning, still they have different grammatical nuances. They are used in different ways of use or different ways of its grammatical variety, and generally they are quite important from the point of view of different examinations. Generally, if you want to face examinations, competitive examinations, or the examinations at your academic career, then sometimes you have to find these two phrases, two grammatical quantifiers, and you need to know the nuances so that you can answer well. So many and many a represent the same meaning, but their use in the sentence is completely different. As for example, many can be used with the plural noun, or when you use many you have to use plural noun like many boys, many tables, many books, and on the basis of that the verb used in the sentence also remains plural. On the other hand, many is used with the singular noun and the verb followed by that singular noun also remains singular. So you can have the examples like many books are lying on the table, and many book is lying on the table. It says that many books, there are more than one books are lying on the table, but when you use many you have to use plural form of the noun, plural form of the things mentioned or the subject, and the verb also remains plural. And when you use many a, you have to use singular form of the things or the subject or the noun, and you have to use singular verb for that form. You have other examples also. Many boys come to school by bus. Many a boy comes to school by bus. Many opportunities are there in the market if you want to grab them. Many opportunity is there in the market if you want to grab it. Many persons are quite helpful. Many a person is quite helpful. So you have plenty of examples for the use of many and many. Now let's talk about a number of and the number of. Both of them have almost same meaning, except that when you use a number of, you refer to unspecified number of things or the people, and when you mention the number of, it is about the specified number. However, the meaning remains the same. The meaning is about the plurality of the sense, plurality of the meaning, plurality of the things associated with it. Let's, for example, you can say a number of people are on the way to success. Here, the first one remains the plural. The number of people is on the way to success. When you use a number of, you have to use plural verb. When you have to use the number of, you have to use singular verb. The number of buses is flying on the road in spite of strike. You can say a number of buses are flying on the road in spite of strike. You can say a number of books are quite helpful to compete and get through the examination. You can say the number of book is helpful to compete and get through the examination. So they are known as the quantifiers, and these are the nuances of these words. Here is the summary of the four phrases: many, many a, the number of, and a number of. Many and many a represent almost same meaning. The meaning remains identical almost, but their grammatical use is different. Many is used with the plural noun and plural verbs. Many are used with the singular noun and singular verbs. The number of is used with the specific number of people, and a number of is with the unspecified number of people. The number of is used with the plural noun with the singular verb, and a number of is used with the plural noun with plural verb. So in the second one, in the couple of or in the phrases of a number of and the number of, you have the difference in the use of its verb. So thank you so much.